Hello students, let us do a very interesting topic of English, rhyme scheme. Now, we have been reading so many poems since childhood. You have also studied so many nursery rhymes. Have you noticed that some poems rhyme? So what do you mean by rhyme? Or what do you understand by rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words that end with the same sound. For examples, cat, bat, mat, hat. If you see this, these words have the same sound at the end of the word. One more example, fly, high, sky. All these words have the same ending sound. One more example, eat, meet, feet. They also have same ending sound. So let me take a poem here so that you can find out the rhyming words from this poem. I will read the poem and you will find out the rhyming words. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now tell me the rhyming words you have seen over here. Star, are. They rhyme with each other, so they are the rhyming words. High, sky. They also rhyme with each other, so they are also the rhyming words. So the rhyming words are star and are, and high and sky. So if you see any poem, the last words of the poem usually rhyme, and they are called as end rhymes. These end rhymes are used to construct the rhyming scheme of a poem. So let us learn about rhyming scheme. What is a rhyming scheme? A rhyme scheme is a way of describing the pattern of end rhymes in a poem. Each new sound at the end of a line is given a letter starting with A, then B, and so on. If an end sound repeats the end sound of an earlier line, it gets the same letter as the earlier line. A rhyme scheme is the order of a pattern of rhymes. These rhymes would appear at the end of a poem or a verse. The first line of every rhyme scheme will start with an A. So let us now see the points to remember to find a rhyme scheme of a poem. First, you will need to look at the last word in each line of the poetry. Next, determine which words rhyme with one another. Next, same sounding words are given same alphabet. Always start with A and go in alphabetical order. Use alphabets A, B, C, and so on to make a rhyme scheme. Let us take an example of the same poem which we have done. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. We have already found out the end rhymes over here. The words star and are rhyme with each other, and high and sky rhyme with each other. So because star is the first word, we are going to give it letter A. Then we'll go to the next word R. Because it rhymes with star, it will also get the letter A. Next word is high. It does not rhyme with star or R. So we are going to give it the letter B. Next word is sky. It rhymes with high. So we are going to give it the same letter B. This shows that the rhyme scheme of this poem is AABB. Let us take one more example. Now you find out the rhyme scheme of this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. You should make your bed. Do you live in a zoo? So first you have to find out the last words of the poem. Red, blue, bed, zoo. We'll take the first letter red. Because it is the first rhyming word, we are going to give it letter A. Now go to the next word, blue. Blue, you have to see whether it is rhyming with red or no. Blue is not rhyming with red, so we are going to give it alphabet B. Now take the third line, last word, bed. Is bed rhyming with red? Yes. So we are going to give it the letter A because it rhymes with red. Take the last word, zoo. Is it rhyming with red? No. So we will not give it the alphabet A. Is it rhyming with blue? Yes. So zoo rhymes with blue. So we are going to give it the alphabet B. This shows that the rhyme scheme of this poem is AB, AB. Now there are worksheets given. You have to solve those worksheets. And if any doubts, give in the comment box. Thank you.